There are a lot of components that help me get what I need in terms of my workflow, my school, and my YouTube channel. And these equipment consist of my camera, my sound equipment, my lighting, my recorder, and my computer even itself, my tablet, phone. All of these equipment are necessary in order to do what I do, but mainly without the application that I use, all of these components are basically useless. So in this video, my goal is to take you guys through my computer and show you guys what application that I use to make my life happen. In this part 2 journey of Final Cut Pro, I thought what better way to start this class by showing you guys what program I use for my YouTube channel, on my computer, for school, and for even Final Cut Pro. So let's dive inside computer and see what we have. First of all, this is my background. I like something that is clean, something that is simple, it's not distracting, yet it has some color. So this is the reason that I chose this background. Right here I have my main backup hard drive. This is my Samsung T3 that I keep all of my previous recording inside of it. I have a couple of these laying around. It's good to have an archive of what videos you have done, just for your sake and for future references when you want to go back, or if you want to make another video. I'm not at the point to keep the original files because that would be extremely heavy in terms of having it stored, but this is what I have. Starting from the right, this is my download folder and the trash bin. Previously I used to use Adobe for all of my PDF workflow, but I gave that up and now I have PDF Expert. I think is an absolutely phenomenal application for viewing PDF or working with any document. Snagit is a program that I'm actually using right now. This is for a previous video that I shot and I use it to record my screen. It's a really powerful yet budget friendly app that I highly recommend you guys to use it if you guys are looking for a screen recorder. Next I have my Microsoft Office suite. I use Microsoft Outlook because it just makes workflow so much easier. It has a built-in calendar, so I don't need to have another calendar app. I use Office, Excel, and even OneNote. Believe it or not, OneNote is really helpful when I go to school. Next is Final Cut Pro, and of course this is my main editing application, and I love Final Cut Pro because of all the things that it does. And then Ableton Live. Time to time I create music, and I think Ableton Live is just one of the really powerful app that you could use, especially if you have the push controller, which I do. And connecting these two together, you could make some crazy videos and crazy music for your videos instead of just downloading music from third-party websites, but it takes a lot of time. Keep that in mind. Affinity Designer is a great app that you could use to design vector files and design crazy stuff. I haven't dived into it. I purchased it simply because it was on sale. Affinity Publisher, absolutely great application to create a magazine, pamphlets. If you're into these kind of things, I think it's a great thing to have. And Affinity Photo is my main application that I use every day in order to make my thumbnails happen. And right here I come to recent, I open my actual thumbnail that I have, and whatever I'm talking about, I'll just paste it in the middle and we make that happen. PluralEyes is a great app that I highly recommend buying it right off the bat if you are recording your audio separately than your video. Of course, you could use actual Final Cut Pro to make your footage and your audio sync, but if you want to be professional and if you want to be 100% precise, this is a great app that you could just drop your footage, drop your audio, and it would just sync everything together regardless of how many footage, how many audio you have. It just puts everything together, and then you could export it to Final Cut Pro, making your life so much easier. And Notability, I take note on my tablet, so I have Notability as my main go-to application for taking note. 4K video downloader, it's really good and really handy. Sometimes when I don't have B-roll and I am looking for something and I'm making a video for a client that they have already established YouTube channel and they have some footage and they want me to include it or put it inside my video, I use 4K video downloader to download those footage off of whatever link it is and save it to my computer. And then the good thing is that with this one you could precisely say what the resolution I want be, what I want it to be downloaded, and where to download it. Books is a great application. If you're a Mac user, you already have this. Highly recommended. Check it out. Great books out there. And Dragon is a lifesaver. I do a lot of writing for my website and for my work and for my school. So to make life easy on myself, I purchased Dragon. It works really good. Simply, this little thing comes in the bottom of my screen, and whenever I'm trying to record something, I press this button and it will capture my audio and it will type everything, making my life so much easier. 1Password is where I have all my password. It's a great little app to keep if you want to keep your password organized. Discord, I have it. I don't use it at all. I know it's a powerful tool and it's a powerful networking tool. 4K Instagram is another application that is part of 4K video downloader. And basically when you come here, you could search whatever you're trying to search and it will find it for you. Flume, if I'm pronouncing it right, is an app to use your Instagram on your computer. So basically you have your full Instagram account on your computer. You could post, you could edit your post, you could fix your homepage, and you could do all sort of cool stuff with this app. I think it's a must-have if you are using Instagram for your business or for your channel. Having this will help you a lot. mInstaller is another great app that I use, that in my Final Cut Pro, when we go deep inside of Final Cut Pro, you'll see that there is a lot of extension that I use and a lot of transition, text, and this is a good website that you could get a lot of nice plugins for Final Cut Pro, and I found it really helpful. It's a little pricey, on a pricier side than VideoHive. That's the cheaper option alternative. But if you want something that is right on point and it is supportive, this is a good website to check out. Right now they have a 25% sale, so if you're looking to do something, good place for you to go. VideoProc is another application that I have. You could download stuff in here, but what's good here is that there is a converter here. So if you have a footage that is in different format that your computer is not supporting, or you're trying to bring some footage to your computer, you could change the format here, and I highly recommend it. TV is just when I'm bored and I want to watch movies, that's what I use. And music, I use it for music and news, just to see what's going on around the world. Photo, you guys are all familiar with it. And Things, it's an awesome application to keep yourself organized and know what's coming up and how to manage your time. And of course, I have 3 different browser in order to use. I use Safari for everything. I use Chrome for my YouTube channel because Safari I cannot add extension such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ, so I use Chrome to do all my editing. And I use Firefox. I'm not signed into Firefox, but when I want to check out my website anonymously and see how it looks, this is what I use, so I can check on my website without the browser knowing who I am, so it's not gonna formulate my website around me and it's not gonna make it personalized. Or when I want to search something and I don't want it to be personalized, this is what browser I use. And that's pretty much it. On top of here, there is one more app that there's a couple of more app right here. This is CleanMyDrive. It basically has information about all my drives that I have, and I can easily clean them, format them. And one more app that I have here that I swear by is Clean My Mac. Highly recommended if you're a Mac user. This is a must-have app that I think will make your life so much easier. So this was a quick overview of the application that I use on my Mac that makes my life easy, and it makes workflow really smooth for me. Let me know if there is something that I missed, or if there is something that I should include in here, and if there is something that I have too much of. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll check you guys on the next one.